Good morning children, welcome to our channel BRC Maths Academy. Today in this video session we are going to discuss about exercise 1.5 in the first bit. See the first problem, log 5 to the base 25. See all these problems we can do in two methods. The other method is by removing the logarithm and changing into exponent form, considering this as x and finding x value. Now let us do this by using the formula based method. Log 5, let us write 25 as exponential form. How to write 25 as power? Like 5 square, isn't it? 5 into 5 becomes 25. So we have one formula already. Whenever the exponent is there in the middle, it becomes division, means 1 by x log b to the base a. So as per that, what we can write this as 1 by 2 log 5 to the base 5. 1 by 2 into 1. Why? We have one more formula, log a to the same base a is equals to 1. So this becomes 1. 1 by 2 into 1 is 1 by 2. Clear? See here, same method. How can we write 81? 81 we can write in the exponent form like 3 power 4. And here 3 means log 3, the base 81 we are writing 3 to the power of 4. So this is also same like this formula, 1 by 4 we can write log 3 to the base 3. So 1 by 4 into this becomes 1, same formula, 1 by 4 into 1 is 1 by 4. Clear? Here also log 1 by 16, 16 we can write 2 power 4, base is given 2. Again 1 by 2 power 4, it is there like this, a power minus m is equals to 1 by a power m. Means whenever we will remove 1 by, the exponent becomes negative. Here also this we can write 2 to the power of minus 4. Already base is given 2. So this is like the formula n comes first, n log m to the base a. So as per that, minus 4 log 2 to the base 2, minus 4, this value is 1, minus 4. Clear? The next one, this is in the form of log 1 to the base a, which is 0. We know that formula already. So as per this formula, we can immediately say log 1 to the base 7 is equals to also 0. Now see the fifth bit, log root x to the base x. Root x means exponent 1 by 2. Instead of root, 1 by 2 becomes as an exponent to the base x. If you see, this 1 by 2 comes front like 1 by 2 log x to the base x. By which formula? Okay, 1 by 2 into log x to the base x, means if these two are equal, that value is 1. So 1 by 2 into 1 is 1 by 2. So this is the fifth problem. Now see here, 512 is there. 512 we have to write in exponential form. How? To 2s are, to 5s are, to 6s are, to 1s are, to 2s are, to 8s are, to 64, to 32s are, to 16, to 8s are, to 4, to 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Means this we can write 2 to the power of 9 to the base 2. Clear? Now 9 we have to write like this, log 2 to the base 2. So 9 into this value is 1, 9 ones are 9. Here also 0.01, how can you write it as 1 by 100? If you remove 2 zeros you will get, to the base is given 10. 1 by 100 we can write 10 square, 10 into 10. Base is given 10. And 1 by 10 square we can write 10 to the power of minus 2. As per the formula, a power minus m is equal to 1 by a power m. Now base already given 10, minus 2 carry forward, minus 2 log 10 to the base 10, minus 2 into 1 which is minus 2. Here also log 8 by 27, 8 by 27 we can write 2 cube by 3 cube. 8 we can write 2 cube, 27 we can write 3 cube, and the base 2 by 3. Next step, this we can write 2 by 3 whole cube. The exponent we have taken common, the base is given 2 by 3. Now 3 comes first, 3 log 2 by 3 to the base 2 by 3, 3 into value and the base same, the value is 1. So 3 into 1 is equals to 3. And here the same base is to be shifted, expanded here, means 2 square, this becomes into 2 log 3 to the base 2. Here 2 square means 4, and there is one formula. What is that? Log a to the power of n to the base a, which is equals to directly n. So here these two are equal means it is directly equal to 3. 4 3s are 12. Like that we have to do. Now see the second bit here. Write the following expressions as log n. Log n means he is asking to write in a single term. Here expanded formula is there, expanded formula model is there, and we have to write like a single term and find their values. First one, as we know some formulas, log xy equals to log x plus log y, means log xy is equals to, we can write expanded way, log x plus log y. Here log x plus log y, like RHS side model is there. So we have to write it as single term, means taking logarithm x into y. X into y means 2 into 5. So this becomes log 10. This is the first problem. And here also use one formula, log x by y is equals to log x minus log y to the base a, to the base a, to the base a. Means the given question is there like RHS model. We have to write in this way, means taking logarithm and x by y 16 by 2 to the base a to the base 2. 2 8s are. So what we got here, log 8 to the base 2. Here 8 we can write 2 to the power of 3 to the base 2. 3 comes first, 3 log 2 to the base 2. 3 into this value is 1, 3 ones are 3. And here we have one formula, log m to the power of n to the base a equals to n into log m to the base a. Means the given question is there like this RHS model, log m to the power of n, 64 to the power of 4. Okay. So take this 3 this side, means 3 comes to the top, means it becomes log 4 to the power of 3 to the base 64. Now 4 cube means 4 into 4 into 4, 4 4 is 16, 16 4 is 64, base is already 64. So this value becomes 1. Why? As we have one formula, log a to the base a is equals to 1. Now see the third bit, evaluate each of the following terms of x and y if it is given that x is equals to log 3 to the base 2 and y equals to log 5 to the base 2. Means in the given problems, wherever log 3 to the base 2 is given, we have to replace them with x, and wherever log 5 to the base 2 is there, we have to replace the term by y. See the first question, log 15 to the base 2. This 15 we can divide like 3 into 5. If you expand it, how can you write it as log 3 to the base 2 into becomes plus log 5 to the base 2. As log 3 to the base 2 is x as per the question and log 5 to the base 2 is there y, the answer becomes x plus y. In the second problem, 7.5 we can write 75 by 10 to the base 2. If you simplify it, 5 ones, 5 5s are, 5 2s are. So this we can rewrite as log 15 by 2 to the base 2. It is there like log a power m by n formula model is there, which is equals to log m to the base a minus log n to the base a. So here if you divide, it becomes log 15 to the base 2 minus log 2 to the base 2. Again 15 you can write 3 into 5 like the previous problem to the base 2, and here exponent and base means log 2 to the same base, the value is 1. This you can rewrite it as log 3 to the base 2 plus log 5 to the base 2 minus 1. This is x value, this is y value, minus 1 already is there. The answer becomes x plus y minus 1. Here also 60 we have to write in exponential form. How can you write 60? Take LCM, 2 30s are, 2 15s are, 3 5s are. Means the question we can write 2 square into 3 into 5, base is 2. If you expand them separately, log 2 square to the base 2 plus log 3 to the base 2 plus log 5 to the base 2, and 2 comes front, means 2 log 2 to the base 2, this is x, this is y, and this becomes also 1. So the answer becomes 2 ones are 2 plus x plus y, 2 plus x plus y. The last question, log 6750 is to be changed in the exponential form. Let us take 2 3s are 2 3s are 2 7s are 2 5s are 1 1 3 2s are 3 5s are 3 3s are 9 22 3 7s are 21 15 3 5s are 15 3 1s are 3 2s are 3 5s are 5 2s are 5 5s are 5 5s are. So 6750 we can write it as 2 into 1 2 3 3 cube into 1 2 3 5 cube. Base is already given 2. You expand it separately, log 2 to the base 2 one time plus log 3 cube to the base 2 log 5 cube to the base 2. This value is 1. Here 3 comes first, 3 log 3 base 2 plus 3 log 5 to the base 2, 1 plus 3 into this value is x as per the question, and this is y. 1 plus 3 into x 3x plus 3 into y 3y. So this is the answer. Clear? This is the third bit. Now see the fourth bit. Expand the following. First question is log 1000. Ten into 10 into 10, 10 to the power of 3. As you are seeing that here base is not given. Base is not given means if we consider common logarithm. What is common logarithm? Common logarithm as 10. Suppose take 10 as the base common logarithm. So the question becomes log 10 to the power of 3 to the base 10. Then 3 comes first. 3 log 10 to the base 10. So 3 into 1, which is 3. 3 into 1, which is equals to 3. Instead of taking common logarithm, you can leave up to here also, it becomes correct only. And here also see log 128, change it into exponential form. 2 64s, 2 32, 2 16s, 2 8s, 2 4s, 2 2s. Whereas 625 becomes 5 125 times, 5 25 times, 5 5s are. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 means 2 to the power of 7 divided by 5 to the power of 4. 5 to the power of 4. Here base is not given for these problems, means apply the formula directly. Apply the formula directly means it becomes log 7 to the base 2 by log 4 to the base 5. If you rewrite this as 7 comes first as 7 log 2, division becomes minus 4 log 5. Okay. Now here also there is no base, means apply the formula directly. The powers will come front, each one separately. 2 log x into becomes plus 3 log y plus 4 log z. So this is the third one. Whereas in the fourth question also apply directly log p square q cube by log r to the power of 4, separating them. Now 2 comes first, like 2 log p, here into becomes plus sign, 3 log q, division becomes minus 4 log r, 4 log r. So this is the fourth one. Now see the last one. First of all, the root is to be removed. Instead of root exponent we get 1 by 2. Now it is there in the form of a power m whole to the power of n. Formula a to the power of m into n means these two powers are to be multiplied. Here also powers are to be multiplied, means x to the power of 3 by 2. Here y to the power of 2 by 2. 2 gets cancelled. 3 by 2 log x, division becomes minus sign log y. So like this we have to do the fourth bit. See children, all these problems you practice very well at home by writing the separate notes. Clear? If you like this video, if you like these lessons, you subscribe the channel and immediately share to your friends to subscribe, and comment if you have any doubts in the comment section. Thank you children.